morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart. We open in about 15 minutes, so I'm going to make this pretty quick. Last 2 days, we've had support at the mid-band. Thursday, Friday. The bulls have defended that area really well, which is what you would expect from the bulls if this entire pullback here was just simply a test of the daily middle band. So when I tell you that the bears are in a very dangerous position this morning, they really are. They've got to fight back. They've got to hold the 9-day, which they basically did on Friday with a little bit of a hop up over the top. It's still, that area is still about 23.73 on the continuation chart, and it has to hold today for the bears. Otherwise, what's going to happen is they're going to lose control of the tape. If you look at the 9-day on a straight June chart, they're already at risk of losing control. As you can see, we're right up against the 9-day right now. Okay, so I'm expecting a pretty whippy open, pretty choppy open for a Monday morning. I think they're going to fight over this area. They're going to fight over 23.70 to 23.73. The new weekly pivot is down at 23.65.60. That area has got to hold up. So that 5-handle band of price is going to decide who controls the week, at least in my opinion. Maybe we don't determine that today ultimately, but in the first couple of days, we should. Let's take a quick look at the hourly chart. There we go. You see the weekly pivot here, 65.60. It wants to be support. This was the middle band rejection on Thursday, middle band rejection on Friday, high or low, and it's got to get back up over the 9-day. If it can do that, I would expect it to retest the 76 area that failed off the jobs report. So we had a weekly pivot for the June adjusted fail. That was your Friday. It was a great little Friday for us. Basically, we're shorting 74s for a nice little trade. Then it came back and gave you a second chance. We shorted again 72.75. Then we shorted it again at 67. So it was a fantastic day to trade on Friday. But if this persists, as much as I was short on Friday, if these dips continue to be defended, we're going to get right back into the same mode that we've been in, which is buy dips. If weekly pivot wants to be support and the daily midband wants to be support, then despite whatever we want or whatever we think, the reality is buy dips. Market doesn't care what you think. Market doesn't care what you want. Market doesn't care how you feel. You just have to trade what you see. And unless we see a big defense at the 9-day simple moving average and we see a break of these Thursday lows, we remain in buy dips mode. So, like I said, I expect a whippy open. We'll see how that's dealt with. I will catch everybody for the midday report. Trading well this morning. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.